Good morning everyone. My name is Damien Bradshaw and I'm just going to take a few minutes to explain what we are going to be working on for the next month. So we're going to be taking a look at the connection between physical activity and the good that it does not only for our bodies but also the positive effect it has on our emotional and mental well-being. For the first 3 weeks of the project, which is called Healthy Choices, you will all be required to do your usual physical activity. Now please keep in mind this does not need to be playing a competitive sport or running a marathon. It can be as simple as walking to or from school, or even jumping on the trampoline at your friend's house one afternoon. Also, don't be discouraged if you don't do any physical activity during the project, as you will still be able to participate. But I would hope that you are injured or sick if you are not doing any activity during this time or any time, as you are all well aware by now that we need to look after our bodies to stay healthy. What I do want you to do during the first 3 weeks of the project is to take note of how you were feeling before you did the physical activity, and then also take note of how you felt after it. I want you to write these down in the diaries that are on your desks at the moment and make sure you bring these back to class. Each Friday of these first 3 weeks we'll use our school computers to do an online survey where you'll answer questions in relation to the physical activity that you completed and also how it made you feel. This will make our information easier to analyse and also turn everyone's answers into statistics. So we will also be touching on mathematical concepts obviously during this project. At the completion of these 3 weeks, so during the 4th week of the project, we'll be using all of our data that we've created through the online surveys, and we will be creating a PowerPoint presentation as a class that will be showing the results of our project, which will be shown at assembly at the end of the term. This is where you'll be able to show that you have met the learning outcome by conveying the significance that physical activity has in improving our mental well-being, and we'll be obviously conveying that to the rest of the school, as well as taking that information home to our families and communities as well. Thank you very much.